Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yesenia, for those of you who don't know. And yeah, today I am coming at you with another makeup tutorial. And this look is pretty much like my go-to glam look when I have to go somewhere and I don't want to think too much about what I'm doing with my makeup. I wanted to film this look. Every time I wear it, I get so many compliments, and of course, as always, I want you guys to slay with me. So yeah, it does incorporate a couple of products. It's one palette in specific. It does include the 350 Bronze Gold palette from Morphe. And yeah, so if you have this palette, just go ahead and grab it and join along. Clearly, I already have my brows done and I already have the cleanup look, and don't judge my brows because I do have to get them done. I'm going to reach for my 350 Bronze Gold palette by Morphe. And I'm first going to start off with this shade right here. You guys, I don't know the names on it because they don't have the names and I clearly lost a plastic piece to it. So I'm just gonna take that color right there with a fluffy brush, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm just going to start working that into my crease. Take this shade right in here. Guys, don't mind my ghetto ass nail. Oh my god, it makes me want to like rip my eyes out. But take this color right here with the same brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and build up that crease. Pretty much do the same motion like I did with the transition shade. Seriously, no one on my block has a dog, but today there's a dog. Where the hell did this dog come from? I'm confused. Going back into the palette, I'm going to take this reddish brown shade right up in here. Picking that up with my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and place that right into the outer corner right up in here. And really define that crease, and I'm bringing it in as well. Go back in with my fluffy brush and then just start to blend that. Next, we're just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and take this color once again, and we are going to blend out the edge a little bit because that edge looks a little ratchet. Right up in here, girl. Y'all, what do you think about Nicki Minaj saying that she's going to retire? I don't think she's going anywhere. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be taking my Kaja stack in the stack called 03 Toasted Caramel, and I'm going to take this middle shade right in here. You guys, this color is stunning. Okay, these stacks are stunning, but I'm telling you, this is like my absolute favorite. I live for these stacks. All right, all types of stacks. Those stacks and money stacks, you know? Okay. But I'm just gonna go ahead and press that right into my lid. There's so many people remodeling their house around me, and it's like, bitch, come remodel mine. Okay, come do mine. Okay, going back to the palette, I'm going to take this chocolatey brown right here, and I'm just going to deepen up that outer corner as well. right up in here. Just right in that outer corner. And bring it in, just into that crease, the slightest bit. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my liquid liner and my lashes off camera. These are the Fame lashes in the style Tasha Mac, which are a collaboration. You guys, I'll leave my discount code down below, but these are the lashes. Oh, I guess I should just take it out. Tell me these are not gorgeous. I have used them before. They're so stinking pretty. So to start working on my face, I'm gonna spray my face with the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Setting Spray. Well, like a prep and set type of spray. And I'm going to be taking the Dose of Colors foundation and also the Anastasia foundation, the new one that just came out, and I'm gonna mix these two together because I just want to see how it'll look. I do already have it on my forehead, if you guys can tell. I feel like the Anastasia one is just a little light. I do have to get a different color, and the Dose of Colors, it does match, but it gives me a little bit of a bronze look. These lashes, everything, seriously. They're limited edition. I think you can still get them on the famelash.com website. Well, on the Fame Lash website, but I know like once they're gone, I think they're gone, that's it. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these two together and start pouncing it on my face. And next up for concealers, I'm going to mix the e.l.f. concealer and then the Born This Way concealer together. Again, I think I mentioned this in my last video. I feel like the e.l.f. one is a little too peachy for me right now. And the Born This Way one is more of like a brightener. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass Mineral Veil Setting Powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with it. You guys ever get the urge to scream out your window to one of your neighbors and tell them to like shut the f up? That's my life. Alrighty, so next to bronze up the rest of my face, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Island Ting. Is this upside down? Yes, it is. There you go, Island Ting. And guys, I love this bronzer. I seriously just can't get enough of it. Even though it can make me like really bronze, I feel like it just looks the best. I'm going to be taking my Tarte brush. You know, this can be used as like a foundation brush, but I don't use it like that. But I'm just gonna start bronzing because I am light. Seriously, I really just wish my neighbor would just shut up. Don't forget your jawline, guys. There's nothing worse than like forgetting your jawline. Seriously. Because sometimes it just makes like the bottom of your face look super bigger if you don't like add bronzer to like your jawline. I don't know why, but it does. Just helps, you know. Like, I can seriously bathe in this bronzer. I just love it so much. Love it so much. It's just so buttery, and I do find that it lasts really long, and I don't ever get it to like, it's never patchy. You know how like some bronzers, and let's be real with one another, some bronzers can tend to be a little like annoying, you know, like real ghetto girl, but this one is not. Trusty old Estee Lauder HeatWave, which I dropped it and it hurt my soul to drop it, but it's there and I just won't let it go. So I just, you know, make it work. So I'm just going to highlight right up in here first before we add like blush. Ugh, like you see why I just can't let it alone, like. And I probably could buy another one, but you know how it is when you buy like a new product or something that you like originally and it just never seems to be the same. That's what's happening. Or you have a feeling that it's not the same, but it's probably the exact same thing, but you're just have it in your head that it's not the same thing. I don't know if I said this before, but I do gotta go to work. Work, your girl gotta work. Then to blend this highlight and like my bronzer together, I'm just going to take a little bit of Refresh. This is a mineralized skin finish from MAC. You can no longer get it anymore, but they have a shit ton other guys that you can get. I just really like this one. I don't know why. It's like, I don't know, it's like my favorite like bronzer blush type of thing. That's pretty much what it is. How I use it, like a bronzer blush. Cause it's, sometimes it could be a little too orangey. I don't know, I just really like it. So to contour my nose, I'm going to take a mixture of, oh my god, I look so weird right now. So to contour my nose, I'm going to take a mixture of these two bronzers. This is the Fenty Island Ting, like I was using all over my face. And then this is the Hoola Light Bronzer. As you guys can see, I've hit pan. Absolutely love these bronzers. I like to mix them together so that I can like contour my nose properly, because it can tend to get muddy, even though it just always is muddy. But I mean, we're not gonna stop contouring our nose because of it. Oh my god, seriously? What is up with people today? What's today? Oh, it's Friday, that's why. Yep, just drag it down. And I'm just gonna go back in with my Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this. And place that right underneath my eye area, just to help brighten it, and right next to that contour area to really help define it and brighten it. Oh my god, you guys, you hear those birds? So this year we had gotten 2 baby birds in a row, and I'm so happy because usually when mom birds bring their babies, they always die. Yeah, so now that my under eye, So now that I have my under eye area baking, I'm going to go back into the 350 Bronze Goals palette, and I'm going to take a mixture of these two eyeshadows together. Okay? And I'm gonna start defining the bottom lash line. Look how much of a difference it makes when you do your bottom lash line. Tiny eyes, big ol' eyes. Tiny eyes, big ol' eyes. But you guys, if you like the look of smaller eyes, you definitely don't have to do it. But when you have extremely super small eyes, you don't necessarily have to do this step because it can tend to close off your eye. However, if you want the dramatic look, you're gonna have to add a little definition. One thing I just can't stand when people do eye looks is sometimes they leave the bottom blank. Although there is a look, there's a time and place for it. It just looks unfinished. So if you're not someone that likes this dramatic bottom lash line, maybe add a little liner and make sure to add mascara so it gives it more of a polished and finished look. And my bad, my phone's ringing. It's time to just go ahead and take off that excess powder underneath my eyes, and I'm just gonna buff that into the nose contour just to help soften it a little bit. even though I like harsh contour. I do, I'm guilty. Then to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Caviar eyeliner, and I'm going to place that right into the waterline. Take the slightest bit of black eyeshadow and then just press that right next to the eyeliner and blend that in between the browns that we placed first. Really just trying to get close to the lash line so it doesn't bleed everywhere. The Dose of Colors eyeliners actually stay pretty well, but you know, look at it. See how finished it looks? Boom, boom, boom. Details, baby. Next, I'm just going to take a little bit of that color right there, and I'm going to stab it with my brush. I literally just stabbed the hell out of it. Well, I'm just going to place a little bit of that shade right into my inner corner right here. Yep, bow. Bam. I feel like that just finished the look. Before we go ahead and add bottom mascara and do our lips, I'm just gonna spray my face once again. Ugh. So to finish my lips, I'm gonna take this lip liner from Kiko. I'm not sure what it is. Matita Labra? No, I don't think that's it. I don't know. So this is Kiko Milano lip liner, and it's in the number 533. I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors Butterscotch lipstick. To complete the lips, I'm gonna take Can You Not by Dose of Colors, their lip gloss. Hey guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial with me, and I hope I'm like in focus, because there's nothing worse than like not being in focus. But yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's not that hard to do, but if you find that it's hard, then my bad, girl. There's more makeup tutorials on the way. And yeah, that is all. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for showing my channel so much support. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and let me know down below different looks that you guys are interested in seeing. With that being said, once again, thank you so much for watching, and I shall talk to you guys later.